In this video, we are going to look at our teleports. And first we will take a look at the vortex teleport. It's rather simple. Just one variable here opened so that we can specify a target point where we will get teleported. So on event begin overlap, actor begin overlap, we get the actor location, which is the teleport point, which is our target point, and we teleport the overlapping target to the teleport point. We place sound at location of the point that we get to and at the location of the teleport itself. This is it. Very straightforward. Alright, this is happening because this is too much in the ground. Okay. And even if you press and to land it on the surface, it will still work. Not sure why it gets inside a little bit when you drag it into the scene. Okay. So the other teleport here is a bit different. Here, no matter how you enter, yes, it will, you see, you will be pointing the direction, same direction, and you will have your momentum. And with this teleport, no matter how I enter, I'll be facing that direction. And we lose the momentum. So if we take a look at the blueprint, same logic first, but then we cast to our first person character, get the controller, set control rotation to the actor rotation, which is our target point. So it takes into consideration the rotation of the target point, and it is pointing that way. So if we will rotate this, we should be facing that direction. As you can see, I'm looking at the door. And also, just for a moment, I'm disabling the movement and then enabling it, setting it back to walking for our character, so that you would lose the momentum. And here we have this simple option for different styles, and if you set it to 0, it's this. And those other will simply change the diagram. And what we can do, and also we will see how we can expand the functionality of the switch this way. We can use this, for example, we can make it activate and deactivate. So we will add a variable called activated. Set it to 1 by default. 1. And here we'll have a branch that checks if this is equal to 1. And if it's not, this will not happen. And let's say that we will use this when activated and the last material when not activated. So on event begin play, instead of using the style, we will use activated. And 0 value will be this. And 1 will mean active. We will have a particle effect. So here what we see by default is, of course, the material that is set here, and you can change this. So it's activated by default. If it's not active, and it doesn't do anything. If it's active, it teleports us. And we can expand the functionality of our switch like so. We can go to the blueprint and here add another line in the open and close logic. Is valid check first of all, and we will need a couple of variables. We will do just one, but you can make as many as you wish. This will be teleport, BP teleport. One. We will drag it here. We will call it teleport 1. From here, we need the event in the teleport. We will add a custom event called activation. We will go the same. No. This will first of all set this to 1 so that this works, and then it will simply we can simply connect it, not to copy it and paste. And we will add another custom event we'll call deactivation. And we will set this to 0 and set this material. All right. So here we need to get the event of activation. So just to clarify again, right? This variable is the blueprint teleport. So once we get it here, right, we can get the event inside the blueprint. And it will be specified here, right? In did I open it? Like so. No, it's not, because this is not compiled yet. Okay. Here you can see we have teleport, and we can do this. So it will activate this teleport. So back to the switch. Okay. And you can add more if you want one switch to operate a number of teleports, and have teleport 1, teleport 2, and so on. And add it in a line like this. And here we will do the same thing, except we will need deactivation event. Okay, let's see what we've got. Okay, by default this should be deactivated. Switch it on, it works. Now we add, can be switched off to the switch. So we switch it on, it works. Switch it off. Oh, we need to deactivate the particle system. So we simply pure magic.